Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 20 simple but frequently used English sentences. All these sentences are simple, yet they are very useful in day-to-day life. So without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1, I'm not sure if I'm correct or not, but this is how I understand it. No. 1, I'm not sure if I'm correct or not, but this is how I understand it. Sometimes you have to correct someone, and when you do that, you need to tell them that although you're correcting them, you might be wrong as well. So this is how I understand it. That means although I'm telling you something, although I think I'm right, I might be wrong as well. This is how I understand it. That is one way of saying it. No. 2. As soon as I saw you, I knew you were the one. When you meet someone, and at that very moment you feel like, this person is going to be important in my life somehow, you can say this. As soon as I saw you, I knew you were the one for me. Number 3, it was such a pleasure meeting you. It was such a pleasure meeting you. When you meet someone and want to express that it was really nice to meet them, you can say this sentence. It was such a pleasure meeting you. No, for I have a favor to ask you. I have a favor to ask you. If you want to ask someone for help, you can use this sentence. I have a favor to ask you. Would you mind helping me with this? Number 5, you don't need to do that. If someone is doing something for you and you feel like they shouldn't do it, you don't need to do that. Don't go out of your way. Don't go out of your way. It means don't make a special effort. No 6 will be there in about an hour. We'll be there in about an hour. An hour means a unit of time. 1 hour is 60 minutes. If someone asks, when will you reach? You can say we'll be there in about an hour. No, 7. I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree more. When someone says something and you totally agree to what they've said, you can say I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree more. No, 8. It looks great on you. It looks great on you. When someone is wearing something new and you like it, you can compliment them by saying it looks great on you. Number 9, I don't think so. I don't think so. When someone says something and you disagree, you can simply say, I don't think so. Number 10, I owe you one. I owe you one. If someone does something for you, you can thank them by saying, I owe you one. I'll return the favor. I'll return the favor. Means you'll do something for them in return. Number 11, she looks like your sister. She looks like your sister. If someone's features resemble your sister, you can say she looks like your sister. Number 12, would you mind closing the door? Would you mind closing the door? When you want to ask someone politely to do something for you, you can use would you mind? Would you mind closing the door? Number 13, you look well. You look well. When you haven't seen someone for a long time, and now you see them again, you can ask how they are by saying you look well. Number 14, what's on the menu tonight? What's on the menu tonight? Menu means a list of dishes. What's on the menu tonight? I'm making dinner tonight. Then you can ask what's on the menu tonight. Number 15, let's catch up later. Let's catch up later. Catch up means to talk to someone in order to find out what has happened in their life. Let's catch up later. I'll call you later. Number 16, how are you holding up? How are you holding up? Holding up means to support or to hold something. How are you holding up? Are you okay? Number 17, you shouldn't have done that. You shouldn't have done that. If someone did something that was wrong, you can say you shouldn't have done that. Number 18, I bet you'll love it. I bet you'll love it. If you're certain that someone will like something, you can say I bet you'll love it. Number 19, nothing much has changed. Not much has changed. If someone asks, how have you been or what's new, you can reply by saying nothing much has changed. Number 20, why don't we go somewhere? Why don't we go somewhere? If you want to suggest something to someone, you can use why don't we? Why don't we go to the movies? Why don't we go somewhere? So these were some common but very useful sentences which are used very frequently in our daily life. If you liked this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have some useful sentences in mind which you think should be included in this list, do share with us in the comment box below. Thank you.